Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're going to show you how to fix these chrome pieces that go on these trims. Now this is a Mercedes, but the same procedure can be applied to any car. Now the same procedure can also be applied to the chrome pieces you typically have on the rear bumpers. So the first thing that you need to do is you want to measure this, and then you're going to use that to order a chrome piece. This is flexible, and this can be cut as well. It's got tape on the back, but you want to make sure that you pick the right size so it fits exactly on that channel. Now of course you could replace this piece right here, but if you do that, then typically dealerships will sell this whole piece as one with a chrome in it. In addition to that, that's going to be a couple $100 just for that piece, $200-300 at a dealership. And also it doesn't usually come painted, so you're gonna have to go paint it. So instead of doing that, we're gonna use this, and it's gonna look just as good, and it's gonna last quite as long as well. So ideally you wanna use a micrometer like we do here, and then you come here and you measure this gap. So I like to measure it in millimeters. So that says 8.8 millimeter. So what you can do is 8 millimeter one, you want to be a tiny bit less than what you're measuring. So 8 millimeter chrome piece, you can go online wholesale sites you're familiar with, go there and then search 8 millimeter chrome trim. These come in a box, and this is several feet, but we don't need to use all of it. Once you do that, right here on this corner is a little bit rounded, so we use scissors. You just trim that to match that right there, and then clean this piece, this right here, because if you got dirt on that, it's not gonna stick as well. Okay, and then we take off the cover, this film on the tape on the back. Okay, so but remember the other end is what goes over here, and I'm gonna start it there because here it's just open-ended. I can cut that right there wherever it ends. This piece I just cut it a little bit longer, and I'm avoiding touching the back of it with my fingers, because then I'm gonna get dirt on that. Okay. I'm going to cut it right here. And that looks perfect. Just as good as this one. Actually, it looks even cleaner and newer. You can see a little bit of difference there. But it's worth doing this for $15-20 instead of spending $200-300 on a chrome piece. So thank you for watching.